Akiaria hindi ya icera riake njera-ini ya Eldoret na Kapenguria kuria arekinyitie guthurima uria mitaratara ya kurigiriria gutherema gwa king'uki gia COVID-19 irathingatithio, kamishna munene wa njera guku bururi-ini Wycliffe Ogalo ni atugiritie unyitaniri wa ohwo na maabitha aria maramataga njera ici hari kurumirira mitaratara eno iria iheanitwo ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri.
Come here to see into it that the protocols and conditions that are put in place by Ministry of Health and subsequent protocols that we have put in as ourselves are adhered to. So I'm happy that the officers and the inmates are working together to ensure that we are fortified.
Ogalo augite thirikari ni yarire mitaratara mikinyaniru ya gutigirira ohwo o undu umwe na maabitha aria maramataga njera ici matiri ugwati-ini wa kugwatwo ni homa ya coronavirus iria ithiite na mbere na gutamba guku bururi-ini.
I want to assure relatives and friends of the inmates that I have within our custody that they are secure and safe.
Akinyiriirie ati ohwo aria marikitie kuhithurio na murimu uyu ni amwe aria maigitwo keheri-ini na koguo arwaru acio matitukanite na ohwo aria angi na njira o yothe.
And I want you to come out very clearly that they referred to positive cases. These were positive cases that were in the quarantine. They had not been mixed with the serving inmates or prisoners.
Na kuona thirikari ni rugamitie mihango ya gucererwo kwa ohwo ni family ciao, riu ohwo aya ni mahetwo kanya ga kwaraniria na endo ao na njira ya thimu hatari kuonana maitho kwa maitho.
We had put a ban on prison visits. So it may be of interest to you to ask, now, if you put this ban, then how do your inmates communicate with their families? So we went ahead and made that provision that we give them free airtime so that they can talk to their relatives and they give them assurance. So there's no cause for panic.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'ara.